Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Geetanjali from Bayan Times. Babu will go to jail in Amravati land scam, says Rosa. YSRCP's firebrand leader and Nagiri MLA Rosa has come down heavily on opposition leader and former CM Chandrababu Naidu and other senior leaders at TDP, accusing Naidu and his category of involving in a huge land scam in Amravati. Rosa predicted that Naidu and his Benamis will face jail. She alleged that Naidu and his coterie had amassed over thousands of acres of lands in Amravati in the names of their Benamis before the announcement as capital city. Rosa alleged that insider trading took place in Amravati and Chandrababu was the architect of it. Rupees 33.97 lakh worth ganja seized in Bhadrachalam. Police seized 226.5 kgs of ganja and arrested two persons at Bhadrachalam in the district on Tuesday. The worth of the seized ganja in the black market would be rupees 33.97 lakh, informed Assistant Superintendent of Police ASP Rajesh Chandra. The material was seized during vehicle inspections by Sub-Inspector of Police B. Mahesh and his team at Forest Checkpost. Telangana records 2058 new cases, 10 deaths. Telangana added 2058 new coronavirus cases along with 10 fatalities in the last 24 hours, taking the tally of the infections in the state to over 1.60 lakh. The state's COVID-19 bulletin said on Tuesday. The total death toll currently stands at 984. Out of the total cases, at least 1,29,187 people have recovered while 30,400 infections still persist. Telangana Legislative Council passes 7 bills on Tuesday. The Telangana State Legislative Council on Tuesday passed 7 bills on Tuesday. The passed bills were the Telangana State Building Permission Approval and Self-Certification System Bill 2020, Telangana State Private Universities Bill 2020, Telangana Disaster and Public Health Emergency Bill 2020, the Telangana Public Employment Bill 2020, the Telangana Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Bill 2020, the Telangana Goods and Services Tax Bill 2020, the Telangana Court Fees and Suits Valuation Bill, and the Telangana Civil Courts Bill 2020. Sasikala may be released from Bengaluru prison on January 27. The authorities of Bengaluru Central Prison have stated that expelled AIADMK leader VK Sasikala's probable date of release is January 27, 2021. Replying to an RTI application filed by advocate and RTI activist T. Narasimha Murthy, the prison authorities have stated, as per prison records, convict prisoner number 9234 Sasikala's probable date of release is 27 January 2021, provided in default fine amount is paid as awarded by Honorable Court. Further, her probable date of release would be 27 Feb 2022 if the fine is not paid. Besides, the reply added that Sasikala's release date may also vary if she utilized parole facility. The reply was provided on September 11. Swachhata Day on October 2 to honor Mahatma Gandhi in Telangana. On the occasion of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, on October 2, the Municipal Administration and Urban Development MANUD Minister will observe the day as Swachhata Day. MAUD Minister K.T. Rama Rao said, "It is a well-documented fact that Mahatma Gandhi gave supreme importance to cleanliness and hygiene." The minister held a video conference with mayors of municipal corporations, chairmen of municipalities, commissioners and additional commissioners, and directed all urban local bodies ULBs in the state to give priority to Swachhata Day. South Central Railway Office in Hyderabad shut as 30 staffers test COVID positive. Rail Nilayam, the South Central Railway SCR office in Hyderabad, has been shut indefinitely after close to 30 employees were found to be infected with COVID-19. The 7th floor building houses hundreds of SCR employees. Recently, all employees had undergone mass testing through RT-PCR for COVID-19. officials have decided to shut down Rail Nilayam until proper sanitization protocols are conducted in the office campus. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Pie and Times.